Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file your income tax return. First, gather all your essential documents, such as W-2s, Form 1099, and any other income statements. Next, select a reputable e-filing software or consider using the IRS Free File program if you qualify. Electronic filing offers many advantages, including quicker processing and often faster refunds, making the entire tax season less stressful for you. Once you have your documents, carefully input all your income, deductions, and credits into your chosen e-filing software. Take your time to ensure every detail is accurate, as even small mistakes can cause delays. Before submitting, perform a thorough review of your entire return. Double-check all figures and confirm that your adjusted gross income, or AGI, from a prior return is readily available for verification. After reviewing, you'll electronically sign your return. This usually involves using a self-selected personal identification number, or PIN, or your adjusted gross income from a prior year for verification. Once signed, proceed to submit both your federal and any applicable state returns through the platform. It's crucial to save the confirmation email or receipt you receive, as this serves as proof of your successful submission. After successfully e-filing, you can easily track your refund status online using the IRS Where's My Refund tool, which provides updates on your federal return. It's also important to remain vigilant for any correspondence from the IRS and respond promptly to any notices or requests for additional information. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.